Ding dong. Open. Well, Seymour, I made it, despite your directions. Ah, Superintendent Elmers, welcome. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon. Yeah, whatever. Oh no! My evil plan is ruined. What do I do? What if I were to purchase fast food and make him throw up with that instead? Oh, delightfully evilish, Seymour. What the? How does this song even go? I don't even know. I'm just making up the words. This is unrehearsed, just so you know. Why is this so bad quality? Seymour! Superintendent, I was just, stretching my legs on the windowsill. Amazing exercises. Care to join me? Why is there smoke coming out of your oven? Oh, that's not smoke, that's steam. Part of the steamed clams we're having. Yes, steamed clams. Boom. YOLO! Superintendent, I hope you're ready for some mouth-watering hamburgers. I thought we were having steamed clams. Oh no, I said steamed hams. That's what I call hamburgers. You call hamburgers steamed hams? Yes? It's an original recipe. What region? Up your butt and around the corner? Really? Because I'm from Unica, and I've never heard anyone say the phrase steamed hams. Oh, no, not from Unica. It's an old family... Okay. Num num. You know, these hamburgers taste really similar to the ones they have at McDonald's. Oh, no. Old family recipe. It's amazing, right? 4 steamed hams. Yes? Okay, so you call them steamed hams, despite the fact they are obviously grilled. Oh, excuse me for 1 second. Why did you say that? I mean now. Okay. Ooh, it's crazy in there. Good times at my I'm pooped. I should be going in. What the heck is happening in there? Aurora Borealis? An Aurora Borealis. At this time of day, at this time of month, at this time of year, happening in this part of the country, localized entirely in your kitchen. Yes? May I see it? No. No, 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 no. No, that's just the Northern Lights. Well, Seymour, you're a dumb person, but I must say, you steam a good ham.